Hello everyone, my name is Ashok Pandey. As the chairman of the International Society for Energy, Environment and Sustainability, it is with great pleasure I extend a cordial welcome to all the delegates and invitees attending the International Conference on Sustainable Energy and Environmental Challenges being held at Lucknow during December 27 to 29, 2021. This is the flagship event of our society and held annually. As some of you might be knowing that our society was founded in 2014 and has an aim to contribute to the development of clean, affordable and secure energy resources and a sustainable environment for human society. Our focus is to disseminate knowledge and the need to adopt sustainability in the areas of energy and environment, which have acquired key position in today's scientific world for the very survival of human race on the earth planet. The society is involved in various activities such as conducting theme-based workshops, conferences, seminars, etc., and offers a global networking platform for its members and stakeholders to share and exchange the ideas, knowledge, and skills for mutual benefit. The society also recognizes its members, especially the younger ones, with different kind of awards and recognition for their contribution in these fields. We invite you to join us as member to work together for a better and sustainable world. Thank you.
Hello, I am Professor Avinash Kumar Agarwal from IIT Kanpur. I am the Secretary of ISEES and also the organizing chair for the 6th conference. In this 3-day technical extravaganza, which is starting from 27th to the 29th December 2021 at Hotel Ramada in Lucknow, we have put together a very exciting technical program which has 12 technical sessions, 6 in engineering track, 2 in environmental track and 4 in biotechnology track. In these 6 tracks in engineering, we have we are covering topics such as fuels for sustainable transport, engine combustion modeling, simulations and spray, coal biomass combustion and power generation, future of internal combustion engines and roadmap, sustainable energy from carbon neutral sources, and combustion emerging paradigms. In the environmental track, we are looking at challenges of desalination and wastewater treatment and possible solutions, and air pollution and climate change will approaches towards it. In the biotechnology track, we are looking at bioenergy and biofuels, microbial processes and products, biological waste treatment, thermochemical processes and biomass. So in this conference, each session is 2.5 hours, where this is more in the format of a panel discussion where we have chosen 6 experts from all over the world, 3 from India, 3 or 4 from India and 3 or 4 from outside the country, and we have 2 moderators, and they will be covering an entire spectrum of topics on the particular theme, which will last about 90 to 100 minutes, and then it will be followed by few contributed papers in rapid fire mode, where people will be presenting their contributed papers in 3 minutes, either in the form of pre-recorded video or live, as the case may be. And then, they will be judged, and one best paper out of the ones presented in every session will be chosen as the best paper, and they will be given best paper award in the valedictory session of the conference. In this conference, we are also having 2 plenary talks, one by Professor Ashutosh Sharma, former DST secretary, and the other one by Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Honorable Member of Science and Technology, Niti Aayog. In addition to this, we will be launching 10 books published by the society, and then there will be a glittering ceremony, award ceremony of the society, where different awards of the society will be given, and the fellow induction ceremony will also take place. In addition to this, on 27th evening, not just technical stuff, we have also planned some social gatherings. So 27th evening, we will have a fellows dinner in Barbecue Nation in Lucknow, and on 28th we will have conference banquet in the hotel itself. And finally, we conclude on 29th around 4 to 5 o'clock, and we will have a valedictory function where we will declare all the awardees for best papers and so on. So I'm really looking forward to your wholehearted participation so that we have an exciting outcome at the end of 3 days conference at Ramada. Once again, thank you very much for your support and interest in the activities of International Society for Energy, Environment and Sustainability. And we hope to have very fruitful discussion, and we also hope to have your continued support to the society. Thank you very much.